Sermon number 104. People before the proclamation of prophethood, and the prophet's performance in spreading his message. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. So now, certainly Allah deputized Muhammad, peace be upon him and his progeny, as the prophet while no one among the Arabs read the book nor claimed prophethood or revelation. He had to fight those who disobeyed him in company with those who followed him, leading them towards their salvation and hastening with them lest death overtook them. When any weary person sighed or a distressed one stopped, he stood at him till he got him his aim. Except the worst, in whom there was not virtue at all. Eventually he showed them their goal and carried them to their places of deliverance. Consequently, their affairs moved on and their handmill began to rotate, that his position gained strength, their spears got straightened. By Allah, I was among their rear guard. Till they turned back on their sides and were flocked in their rope. I never showed weakness or lack of courage, nor did I betray or become languid. By Allah, I shall split the wrong till I extract right from its flanks.